Hello my doves, welcome back to Aphrodite by Olympia. It is Olympia here, or Ollie, whichever one you want to call me is fine. I have such an exciting video for you guys today. I am going to be reviewing the Aritist Couture x Jackie Aina Diamond Glow powders in the colors La Peach and La Bronze. So if you want to see how these amazing highlighters go on my chocolate skin, keep watching. Okay guys, so Jackie Aina about what, December 2016 released La Bronze with Aritist Couture as one of their colors of their Diamond Glow powders, and I didn't find out about it till like maybe April, and it had sold out long before then, so I missed out. And I have always since then wanted to try the Diamond Glow powders by Aritist Couture. I've seen a lot of videos here on YouTube reviewing his other powders, not just, you know, the one that he did with Jackie Aina. So when I found out that she was releasing the sister version, which is La Peach, I thought, what a good enough reason, I suppose. That sounds shady. But I thought, look, if I'm going to spend the money, because it is in American dollars, it comes from the US, I have to get it shipped down here, so I have to pay shipping as well. So it potentially could get a bit pricey. So I'll just read really quickly about this Diamond Glow powder, the La Peach and La Bronze, for you guys, just to give you an idea of what it's supposed to be about. So we'll start with La Peach, since that is the new release. So this shimmering powder packs a high glow with a light peachy champagne iridescence, suitable only for true glow getters. This all natural loose powder is finely milled with versatility in use. It is suitable for light to dark skin tones. This product can be used on your face to highlight or on your eyes, lips and body. So yeah, I'll do a swatch of these in just a moment. I'm just also going to read you guys how they described La Bronze. So La Bronze is a rose gold / copper iridescence, suitable only for true glow getters. This all natural loose powder is finely milled with versatility in use, suitable for light to dark skin tones. So basically the same, just that it's a gold copper, and this is a peach champagne. That's the La Peach. So I'll just I've already opened these up, guys, but I'll just show you. This is, what's this one? This is La Bronze. I want to show La Peach first because that's the new one. I'm just going to go in and swatch it for you guys first, just so you can get an idea. That's La Peach. Wow. And this is La Bronze. Yep, that is beautiful. So I'm gonna do a demo now, just so you guys can see what it's like on the skin. So we'll start with La Peach. I'm gonna get, what brush am I gonna use? So I've got a Chi Chi pencil in a corner brush, number 117, and that is perfect for the inner corner. So into La Peach, just tapping off the excess. Wow, that's beautiful. Wow. I'm so impressed with it. So good. Now with Le Bronze, I'm going to go on the cheeks. I have yet to highlight. Wow, that's amazing. And I'm just going to do Le Bronze down the center of my nose. But I think I'll use a fan brush. Just so this is Zoeva 123 Luxe Fan. Perfect. So there we have it, guys. I've got Le Bronze on my cheeks. I've got Le Peach in my inner eyes, on my nose, and my Cupid's bow. It's not bad. It's not bad. Alright, so I'll do a little mini review. I think these Diamond Glow powders are absolutely gorgeous. They are beautiful in pigment, and they are so soft, they are so buttery, they are so smooth, they just work. Now the bundle, so you can get the bundle from Aritist Couture. It is $55 for the two colors, you know, Le Peach and Le Bronze, and you also get the makeup bag, rose gold makeup, or peach gold, rose gold makeup bag as well. It's fairly good quality. The zipper is actually really nice. So if you wanted to get the bundle, it's probably the best deal out of what's available, because I think one glow powder is $25, whereas you get two for $55 plus a bag. Now the shipping was $10, so $65. Change that to Australian USD, and it cost me about $83 AU for it to get down here. It came in about 10 business days, so about a week and a half. So it kind of still falls within my 2-week shipping rule. I have this little rule where I consider makeup to be accessible if it's either in the stores, or if you get it online and it takes less than 2 weeks, then I feel that it's accessible. Does that make sense? Yeah, so yeah, it was, the bundle was a little bit pricey. So yeah, it's about $40 a pop. I mean, this is pretty cheap. I don't see this being worth more. Okay, how do I say that? That's a bit shady. Yeah, so it is about $40 a pop on average. So yeah, just thought I'd add that. I forgot to say earlier. Oops. What kind of review person am I? I forgot to talk about this. One of the cons, I would probably say, if there's one thing that I would say about these powders, is that it is a powder, so it will get everywhere. It's a loose powder. The little figments, they fly up into the air. They're really quite light and they can get messy, so I don't know whether this is something that beginners can use. I feel that you have to be a little bit more experienced. Not that I'm experienced, but I think you have to have a little bit more practice with makeup before going to powder highlights. You know, pressed powder highlights, you know, they're easier to manage. Even liquid highlights, you know, when you use your fingertips or cream with your fingertips, you can just dab it on and it's easy. But I find that these powder ones are a little bit on the harder side. So, but other than that, the colors are gorgeous. They go on smooth. I'm very impressed. So yeah, that is my review, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.